Hi friends, welcome back to Talk to Tip. Today I came with the second part of our last video. In the first part we discussed already the 5 points how to do this one. Here we will start with the sixth one. The one who didn't check the previous part, kindly go to the link and watch it. Okay, so today we will start with the sixth one, split up text information between columns. This means here I have the names of some persons. I need to get this one in two columns, like the first name and second name. First I will make a column here. I will add a column here by clicking the insert. This one already we show in the previous part. Now select the cells which one you need to split, then go to text to column in data text to column. There you can see delimited and fixed width we will check later. Now we will check about delimited. Just click next. Here you can see some conditions. By these conditions the word is going to split. Here I am giving the condition like space, so you can see below it's splitting. Where we have a space, it will split from the space. See, you can see in the first name there is Ali Akbar. When I press space, Ali and Akbar, then we can click next, then put finish. Okay, see, it's already splitted the first name and the second name. The next one is use the formula for simple calculation. This you already know how to add, subtract, everything, even though I will just show you. If you want to add some numbers, you can press C equal to which cell you want to add. Just click on that one, then give plus like this. Once you finish, you can hit enter. You will get the sum of the selected cells here. Subtraction is also same, is equal to this one minus this one minus this one. The next point also about the calculation, it's this time the average between some cells. If you want to get the average of all these cells, you can simply make C equal to, just write A, then you can it automatically will come here. Just double click on average and select the cells which one you need to calculate, then hit enter. It will gives you the average. Sum also we can do like that. Just press C equal to SUM, just double click on that and also select the cells which you want to add, press enter. It will add. The next one is use conditional formatting to make cell automatically change color based on data. This means here you can see different types of status here: resolved, work in progress, pending customer, so and so. So I just need to mark all the cells have resolved. For that, just select all, go to home. Here you can see conditional formatting. The first one, highlight cell rules. There you can select text that contains, click that one. Then here you can mention resolved, because we need to change the color of resolved one only. Here there is already some prefixed conditions: light red fill with dark red text, yellow fill with dark yellow text. You can see the changes over there. green fill with dark green text. If you don't want to use this one, you can do your own by pressing this custom format. Then you can select the color, fill color, and font also you can change the font, and press OK. You can see all the result has been changed to the condition what we applied. The last one in today's section is use if Excel formula to automatically create Excel functions. We can use if in different ways. Here I am going to show you some ways. Okay, here what I need with the if command means I just need to mark here which one is resolved and not resolved. I will show you. Just click the area where you want to get the result, then press this function, then select if, press OK, and select the cell. In our case the cell is D2. I will select this one, then write is equal to, it means D2 is equal to, put a colon and write the word and close the colon. It means the selected cell means D2 is equal to result. We need the result here done, and if not we need to get not yet. It means if the selected cell D2 is resolved, we need to get done, and if not, we need to get not yet. Just press yes. We can make a heading like this one, status, so it will be more clear. So the status, we need to know the status is done or no. Just drag down this one until the end. Then you can see all the resolved one is make to done and other one is not yet. So I hope you guys today's section also you enjoyed and try to do it. If you have any doubts related to this one, you can comment me. Thanks for watching. Thanks. Have a nice day.